Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today we are going to unbox and have a look at the UGREEN's 30W GaN charger. So basically this is a 3-port charger which has 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB type A port. Anyways, let's begin the unboxing video. Here you can see the box of the charger, which is pretty small, mainly because this is a GaN charger, so they are small but efficient. GaNfinity thermal guard, basically it has temperature control. It is wide compatible with different phones and tablets. It has 3 ports, 2 are USB-C and 1 is a USB type A port, and the max power output is 30 watts, so it can charge 3 devices simultaneously. It supports fast charging as well for some specific devices. On the side we have its model, which is X515, and it has the USA based charger. It also comes in European chargers as well. On the back we have specifications, the product name, input is 102 to 40 volts for USB C1 and C2. Output, you can see it is as follows: max output is 30 watts for USB A and the total output power is 30 watt max. So I don't think so it can give 30 watts from a single output. I think that's combined for the both USB type C ports. Anyways, let's just open it. So inside the box we have these paperworks, and lastly our UGREEN GaN charger, which you can see is pretty small. On the back we have the USB type C ports and a single USB type A port. It's fully matte black, which is quite cool, small, and you can carry it anywhere with you want to. And on the front again it should have the same specs as they were written in the box if the camera can focus on it. So small, lightweight and easily portable. Let's connect 3 different devices with it. Here I am going to connect my 3 different devices like my watch, AirPods and my phone. So if you have these different devices, then having a single charger will help you a lot. First of all, I am going to connect my phone. It's working. Now I am going to connect my AirPods. Here we have the light, and lastly my watch. And here you go. So it's simultaneously charging all of my 3 devices. So if you are someone who has these different devices, and if you're basically tired of having 3 different chargers, then this small little charger can do your job if you have this kind of use case. For me, I'm basically going to use this charger to charge different equipments of my studio, like my small mics or my small portable lights. But yeah guys, this was the unboxing and quick overview of the UGREEN 30W GaN charger. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel and enable bell notifications. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.